Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles, and today we've got something that came by way of Zenpop. Go to zenpop.jp, use the coupon code the Ramen Reader for a discount on one of their fancy boxes of stuff. And this one's from Japan. This is Nissin UFO Pokkmyeon Carbo. So as you can see, or think, or feel, so this is like carbonara. It's a dry noodle. It's kind of like, Carbo, like Bulldog Carbo, except this actually has chicken and pork in it, whereas Bulldog Carbo, it don't. So, comes in a foam tray. I find it easier just to steep it in the pot, if it'll fit. And it does. It fits perfectly, as if it were designed to be steeped in a pot. This one takes a $5, so let's push the 5 button, and away we go towards mystery and fascination. Oh, what's going on? Yeah, it's 12:40. It's later than I thought it was going to be, and but I'm going to race through this, and then I'm going to run to Seattle. No, I'm not going to run. I'm going to walk. But, yeah, it's a nice day out. I ran the dog out. Oh, she has a new crate. We got a new crate for her. It's freaking enormous. Your crate is huge, Pepper. Ooh. Yeah. Here, come say hi to my dog. She's my dog. Definitely my dog. Pepper. Come here. Come here. That's a good girl. Here, say hello to nice people. Look. Look at the nice people. Yeah. We've gone our rounds, huh? Yeah. No. It's not food time yet. No food. Hey. What are you doing? Yeah. She got the spa treatment the other day, huh? I hope they didn't put you on the table and put the dog noose on you. I don't like that. What do you do? Oh, I spilled a couple kibble over there, didn't I? Oh well. It happens sometimes. Sometimes we drop kibble. But yeah. She's a good girl. Usually. It's like we'll be walking down the trail and we'll see a duck. She's like, whatever, I'm beat. I'm gonna pass out. But yeah, we'll see a duck. And it'll just be walking on the trail in the same direction we're going. And I'll like slow her down a little bit, and they don't really do much. They just kind of like keep walking, but the closer you get, they start going. She's a Labrador Retriever. So what do they usually do? What are they bred for? Well, you go out duck hunting, you shoot the duck falls, and they retrieve the duck for you. So she sees a duck and she's like, ooh, duck. So get closer and then closer, and I have her like, I've got a short leash on her, and then when we get close enough, I just like drop the slack and leash, go get him. And she gets like, it usually is like right when the leash drops, that bird is flying away. But it's so funny because she just gets so freaking excited about it, don't you? Yeah, as you can see, she's all excited right now. Boo! Oh! But yeah. She's learning all sorts of stuff too. Can you see that? Kinda. Like, she knows a couple things. She's definitely a creature of habit. Like, when it's time for the kids to go to school, she knows to do certain things. Like, I'll give her food in the morning, and then I'll tell her, Pepper, crate, Crate. Can you show the nice people? Crate. Go on. Good girl. And see, she goes in the crate. But you don't have to be in the crate. Yeah, then she'll give you the look like, why are you making me be in here? Come here. Come on. Good girl. Good job. I know, you're tired. You just want to sit next to the door. That's all you want to do. She's got that menacing tail that like beats at everything. Oh, you're gonna lounge in the kitchen? Is that your plan? This is not the best spot for dogs to be lounging. You know. Why don't you go lay down? Go lay down. Okay, well, I don't want to step on your, or I'm gonna be draining Noodles. So just so you know. Yeah, she's a good dog. You're a good girl, Peppa. She shares my mutual disdain for other humans on the trail and their pets. Right? You don't like people or other dogs? You're just like you, dog. All right, so let's drain the noodle. Wanted 5 minutes to hydrate. So we will drain this. That's boiling hot. Never given her a noodle before. Generally, I don't like to, like, they'll go to the store, they'll go to the special pet place, and they'll bring back some kind of dog treat or something. Like, no, don't give them any of that. Please, no. She's just gonna, don't mess with the special diet. It's not good. She disagrees. Everything food-based is wonderful. And since she's a black lab, she's all about eating. So there's that aspect. I wonder how this will be. It's kind of like, the noodles are thicker because it's supposed to be kind of like ramen, but I have a feeling it's not going to be anything like ramen. It's going to be a softer noodle. But I'm curious. I'm enthused. But it's supposed to be a carbonara. This is probably a spicy, I don't know. I really have no idea of how this is going to be. I've had Japanese varieties that are violently hot. I may be trying one again soon called 18 Prohibited or 18 Banned or 18 Restricted. And I used to try to challenge the pack version of it. It was just like violently hot. A lot of ghost pepper extract. But they stopped making that, and now they have that a cup version / bowl version, and that's probably something I'm going to try somewhat soon if I can get some on my hands. Here is how it looks. So it smells all right. Does not smell to me like what I would expect out of it, but we will find out. I'm not expecting this to be something for a mukbang in any way, shape, or form, ladies and gentlemen. So don't be expecting the mukbang action, but I will try it. I'm sure Pepper would love to try it. Cheers. It's got heat. Very cheesy. It's not bad, honestly. But definitely not. You're like, is it like 1x? Is it like 2x? Is it as hot as? No. No, not even anywhere near. It's more of a savory kind of thing. And it does have heat. And Yeah, I'll say it's good. I like it. But now we gotta plate it. I'm debating whether to use this plate. I'm not gonna use this plate. This plate is going back in the place where it lives. Oh, and I gotta dig for that plate. Yeah, I'll dig. The IKEA plate found at a thrift store. Okay, Pepper, go, go, go. Good girl. I gotta get the thing here. I gotta do some fancy. So I'm gonna use some salami. I think salami will work for this. You'll see. You'll see. All right. What's that Ramen Raider feller doing? I don't know. He's using scissors. Is he making a... What's he doing? I don't know. Pass me the ranch dressing. I want some more. No, you can't have any more. You're drinking all the ranch dressing. I want some more. Okay, there we go. And a side of Americana. Okay. What's he doing? That looks fancy. Wonder if that's that woke plating stuff. Maybe. Maybe. I guess you could call it woke. I don't know. I'm just screwing around. That's what I do. How do I know how something's gonna work unless I try it? And I want this further down this way. Let's get down range a little bit. And now, if you're going to take the Carbo, put it in cup size large. Do I really want to put it in cup size large? I think that's just what I'm going to have to do, and then I'm going to have to spread it out. Yeah, I don't know. Did it work? Kinda-ish. It's not down this way enough. I do have a little bit of spring onion. Ah! Ah! Well, and I got this mint. This tiny mint. It's gotta grow. It's still in the garden. It's growing. But yeah, that's what I got. There you go. There's the Nissin UFO yakisoba / Carbo / I don't know. There you go, and some kind of Jewish-ish music. those things as an adult you have to do. You just take the trash out. Nobody has to tell me to take the trash out. That's for certain. Alright, well that's it for me. I already walked 8.5 miles. I'm going to walk 7 more. This has been Hans the Ramen wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Like, subscribe, it really helps me out, and I appreciate it. Have a good one, and bye-bye.